Place the 3W floor mat in the driver's seat. Rotate the clips to secure it. Repeat the same steps for the front passenger seat. Next, place the rear foot mats. Adjust the position so the edges fit snugly. Then press the clips firmly to secure them. Before installing the rear seatback pads, you'll need to fold down the rear seats first. Then place the seatback pads in order. Adjust the edges to fit properly. Finally, place the trunk mat. Lay it flat. Remember to adjust the edges properly. Press them into the gaps like this.